see all you guys. Okay. All right, are you ready? On your mark. Get set. Go!
Carter, you got it right there. You got it right there.
Okay. Oh man, I can't wait. All right, are you ready? On your mark. Get set. Go!
So couple of them. Hope's at a disadvantage, I think.
Hope your cousin moves.
No.
Oh, there it goes.
Carter, you got it right there. You got it right there.
Allie, bend down and spread your legs.
Is this possible? Can anybody?
You gotta spread your legs. Come forward a little. Allie, stand here. You gotta spread your
almost
legs.
had it.
Oh my God.
He's got it.
They're gonna They're doing it.
Wow.
She dropped it.
You're not going to be able to get it.
Oh my gosh. He's doing it almost. This is great.
Soiree on video. Everybody's like, I can't wait to know.
Okay, I have to do it like that.
Okay, but wait, we're not starting yet.
I'm just Wait, hold on. I gotta make this thing feel.
Wow.
What did you do?
And then you have to bend over, like you have to bring your face to it.
Look like this. Get over here, girlfriend.
I love that everyone's already sitting there. Are you practicing?
It's so hard to line up.
I lost mine.
I don't think I can get it in my mouth.
Now I've got a belly button.
Ready? Nice. Oh wait,
I got it.
Oh my God.
He's got it.
They're gonna. They're doing it.
wow.
She dropped it.
Okay, so for the baby shower, I was like looking at dresses and I got one dress that I thought I would wear, but honestly, a lot of maternity dresses aren't like that cute or couture or anything for us glam girls. So I actually got the idea. I've never used Rent the Runway before, but I used Rent the Runway. This is a Selkie dress, and because like I'm pregnant and obviously my body is different than it normally is, currently bigger, my boobs and my belly. This isn't maternity at all, but I knew that it would like fit over a bump, and yeah, and then I can send it back because I won't need this size later on. I would have ordered a large if they had one available. They didn't. I don't know if somebody else was renting it already or what, because I had like tried to use their like complimentary like extra free size. So this is a medium. I definitely would have gone with a large. It didn't zip up all the way, but so we just zipped it up and like slapped a bow in the back to like make it look cute. But it worked out perfectly. If you're a first-time mom or for whatever reason just aren't showing, this has so many layers of tulle that it made great pictures and made my belly look super round, and probably more pregnant than I actually am. But yeah, this was like the perfect thing, and we're just gonna send it back. And yeah, and also it was like $50, give or take, like taxes or whatever. But Rent the Runway if you're pregnant for any event. I'm like obsessed now. And then yeah, I spent $50 on this very expensive dress, you know what I mean? So anyways, thanks Selkie for making cute dresses, and thank you Rent the Runway for having their dresses. Me and Carter have been out here spray painting these palm leaves and stuff for the baby shower, which is Pastel Soiree themed. Just setting up baby stuff in the chaos of this mess.